folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Simple and delicious is always my motto. Today we're doing a fun recipe. We're wrapping up an all beef wiener and some ground beef. I'd like to give a shout out and a big thanks to a friend of mine, Colin Sanders, who named it appropriately the tube steak burger roll. It's delicious, it's fun, you're gonna love it. Let's get to it. To start off, I'm using a all beef wiener. These wieners are almost 3 ounces a piece. And I've got my pan on a medium to high heat. The objective here is to get these wieners a nice golden brown color. And then we'll set those off to the side. For easy cleanup, I've covered my cutting board and my rubber mallet with saran wrap. I use this rubber mallet rather than a meat tenderizer because of the larger surface area. Comes in real handy for all sorts of meat preparations. You can also form this easily just with your hands as well. I've got 1/3 of a pound of lean ground beef. I'm going to flatten this out and shape it to a rectangle, and I want to get it to the length of my wiener. Maybe I should rephrase that. Let's get to the seasoning. I'm using Slap Ya Mama Cajun Seasoning. You can use any seasoning or even some salt and pepper. First, we'll season the inside of the tube steak burger roll. Lay the wiener on the meat and then just pack it together. Roll it and then pack it. Pinching the ends, making sure it's totally secured around the wiener.
Well, it's a high fashion gold sterling waiting at the station for the next gravy train.
Now we've seasoned the inside, now it's time to season the outside of our tube steak burger roll. You can cook these in the oven, in the barbecue, on a smoker, but today I'm doing it on a cast iron pan. I've got it on a medium to high heat. You want to hear a nice sizzle when you lay that meat into the pan. That's when you know you have it at the right temperature. I like these spatter screens, it sure saves a whole lot of mess. Using a spatula and a set of tongs, I'll simply rotate them every 2 to 3 minutes. I've got some nice fresh sausage rolls. I laid some cheddar cheese on them. We'll pop those in the oven and get the cheese nice and melted. Using my quick read thermometer, I'm looking for a 145 to 150 Fahrenheit internal temperature.
Living life the way I do.
It's time to remove them. Now let's check in on our nice fresh sausage rolls. Oh, the cheese is all nicely melted, just the way we want it. It's time to dress them up. Put your favorite toppings on. I think I'll just keep it simple with a little bit of ketchup and mustard. Boy, look at them cut in half. Half of one of these is a meal. And that, my friends, is a tube steak burger roll. Give that a try at your next backyard barbecue. So delicious. These tube steak burger rolls are so delicious. You gotta try them. And I gotta tell you, one of them is huge. You could probably split one each, but I'm going in for one now. I'll have to do some fast forwarding. Oh, look at this. What a treat. So delicious. You're gonna love it. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.
Old Sterling, waiting at the station for the next gravy train, and easy, living life the way I do. Well, if you don't